Welcome to 60 Seconds with Kitch. We're going to talk about this tieback rig here for a minute. And notice how we have some lugs welded onto the case of this drive head to get it at the balance point. It balances with the counterweight on this end, torque indicator on this end. It's made to balance this way. I came up with this rig about 20 years ago, and I saw on the internet the other day that ProDig has something similar now. So I'm just going to take that as the sincerest form of flattery. But it is a very good rig, works very easily. The way we have it right now is for a cut wall or something where you're driving the anchors away from the machine. But we could just as easily turn it around here, swing the anchors into the wall if you had a narrow bench or something that you had to swing the anchors into the wall. Or in the case of maybe a seawall where you needed to sit on top of the wall and drive back up under your tracks, you can do that. The one thing you cannot do is run your bucket out and have the arms pointing out away from you. If I was trying to drive like this would just spin. You can't do that. You got to keep them pointed down at the ground. So the torque goes down on this one and up on this one. Thanks for watching.